If you want to see how I got this cute style, then keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair with some products from Blue Magic. So the style that I'm doing today is a 2-strand twist out, and I am working in small to medium sections. I'm going to be starting off with the Blue Magic Argan Oil Vitamin E Leave-In Conditioner. This is made with 100% pure argan oil, has a hydrating formula, it restores natural hair moisture balance, and it adds shine and softness. This leave-in conditioner has a thin, creamy texture, kind of like a lotion. It definitely moisturized my hair. This product can be used daily to add shine and softness to your hair. It works best on wet hair, but it can also be used on dry hair. Next up, I'm going in with the Blue Magic Original Indian Hemp. This product is made with green tea leaves, jojoba, aloe, and safflower, with herbs that you can actually see and feel. This product can be used daily or weekly to combat dry scalp, and I am using it for a styler. And as you can see from the look on my face, the slip is amazing. Again, I'm doing a 2-strand twist out, and I am working in small to medium sections. I have now applied my product, so I am going to begin twisting. But first, I'm going to make sure that my hair is completely detangled, and then I'm going to section my hair in half, and I am going to twist tightly about 80% of the way down, and then I'm going to finger coil the rest of it. And I'll just be repeating these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So now that my hair is completely twisted, I am going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. So this was the fastest dry time ever. I literally sat under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes and my hair was completely dry. As you can see, the curls are shiny. There's a whole lot of moisture and the definition is on point. Blue Magic came and showed out. These products can be purchased online at houseofbeautyworld.com and at your local beauty supply store. I am also doing a giveaway, so make sure that you check the information in the description box. I am literally shook at the definition. Definitely loving this twist out already. So I'm going to go in and just separate my curls a bit and do a little bit of fluffing, and then I will show you the final look. So here are my final results, and I am definitely feeling this look. Let me know in the comments what you think about this look, and if you have tried any products from Blue Magic before. If you have, let me know what your favorites are. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, make sure that you check the description box for all of the information regarding the giveaway. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.